I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Tundra battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your Tundra is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process from start to finish. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal, which is typically black and marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then gently remove the cable. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, usually red and marked with a plus sign. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place, allowing you to lift it out. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray. Now, connect the positive terminal first, making sure it's snug. Then, connect the negative terminal, tightening it securely with your wrench. Don't forget to refasten the battery hold-down clamp. This prevents the battery from shifting while driving. You're almost done. Before closing the hood, double-check that both terminals are tightly secured and the hold-down clamp is firm. Start your Tundra to confirm everything is working perfectly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Many auto parts stores offer this service. For added longevity, you might apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.